Hey guys, welcome to the channel. It's Nishant here, and today we have a very special phone, the Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. We are quickly going to check out what are the things it offers. In the box we have got the phone itself, the adaptive fast charger, AKG tuned headphone, the USB-C to micro USB converter for all your conversion need, and extra ear tips for making your music experience more comfy. And you also get a silicone case to protect your phone right out of the box. So here are the specifications. If you want, you can pause and have a look at it. Let's check out the phone itself. Starting with the screen, it is a 6.2-inch Super AMOLED with curve on both sides. The display is just awesome. The colors are so rich, vibrant, and obviously it is oversaturated, but that is the thing what most people prefer and adore about AMOLED screen. It is a Quad HD Plus resolution, but out of the box the phone comes with Full HD Plus preset. So actually you will have to jump into the settings to make it Quad HD Plus, and right after that you will notice a minor improvement in terms of crispiness. If we look at the Asset Plus from last year, the top and bottom bezels are more narrowed down with S9 Plus, and side by side that is actually noticeable, but only if you have a good observing sight. The screen has no weird tint so far, nor any dead pixel, nor any non-responsive screen. As every year, the screen is just brilliant. Let's move on to the back of the phone. We find the most hype feature of Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus, to which we will come back in a while. We have got 12 megapixel camera, one with the variable aperture and the other one with the optical zoom up to 2 times. We will do a dedicated camera review video and also its comparison with Asset Plus, so stay tuned to the channel and subscribe. Following the camera, we have much needed change from last 2 generations of flagship from Samsung, the right alignment of fingerprint scanner. Now it is located at the center on the back of the phone, and Samsung, thank you for that. Beside that, we have LED flash and a heart rate sensor, which is even now capable of measuring your blood pressure with a particular app, and right now that is a tricky thing. The back of the phone looks just out of the world. It gives different shade according to your lighting condition. In the daylight it looks totally different, in the shade it looks different, and in the indoor also it looks different. In the daylight it looks like a mirror, in the shade it gives you a matte blue color, and in indoor it is just normal blue color with glass on its back. So it is my personal advice, if you are getting S9 Plus, then get yourself blue coral color. Don't get yourself midnight black, that is just going to be so boring. Now let's quickly jump into the camera and we'll explore what are the modes are there, what are the new things which Samsung did with this one, and we'll also take some shots and we'll see if it is any better or it is just the advertisement which is being done in such a way. Opening up the camera, we have auto mode, which is going to take care of all your settings and everything, no matter what kind of shots you are taking, whether it is a landscape, portrait, macro, no matter what are the lighting condition, is it dark or light, it has got you covered for everything. Next we have super slow-mo, which is going to take video at 960 frames per second and which is even now motion activated. Then we have super useless AR emoji, then hyperlapse, which is just the opposite version of slow-mo. It increases the FPS of the video, and on the left side of the auto mode we have live focus mode, where you can get bokeh effect according to your need. Then the pro mode, where you can play with hell lots of settings and make your pictures really stand out, and it is actually better than auto mode if you have any idea about photography and the settings with which you are playing. Next to that we have a panorama mode to click wide shots, and then the food mode, which is going to oversaturate the colors in the photo so that the dish is going to look more delicious. There are other settings and modes which you can enable from the camera settings. You can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second, 4K at 30 frames per second. You also get an option to record at 2K at 30 frames per second. You get Full HD at 60 and also at 30 frames per second. Apart from all this, you got lots of things to play with, which we'll cover up in our camera review. On the front we have 8 megapixel shooter, which doesn't come with that much improvement from last year's phone, but even that one was also good enough, so I guess it will be enough for most of us. You can even shoot at 2K using the front camera, and now you also have a selfie focus feature by which you can get your background blurred out. The next thing in which Samsung have done something new is in the audio department. This is the first flagship phone to come with a stereo speaker. Now the earpiece at the top doubles up as the second speaker, and I have to say I'm impressed. The feel of bass is there, the sound is more live, it just sounds way better than any other mobile I have ever tested so far, including S8 Plus. Here is a sample video comparing with S8 Plus. Let yourself be a better judge.
It's incredible 960 frames per second, records 4 times faster, and lets you loop moments.
The sound is loud and clear, and any content will be enjoyable on it. Apart from that, now we also have improved face detection combined with iris scanning for more secure phone, and it also works pretty fast even in low lighting. When my phone is just resting on its stand, just a single click on its power button and it gets unlocked, so that is pretty much impressive. And also Samsung is the one who provide lots of ways to secure your phone. You have got fingerprint scanner, iris scanner, facial detection, and also other standard Android lock features. So that is pretty much it for its first impression. Lots of content covering S9 Plus will be coming soon. So hit that subscribe button and I will see you in the next one. Till then, bye bye and take care.